Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML versus XHTML. And right now, we've been discussing about the XHTML empty elements, which must always be closed. In XHTML, empty elements must always be closed like this. When you're having a break tag like this, you must have it closed with you by using this slash tag. Your br tag must have what? Slash tag. And your horizontal rule right here, the horizontal rule tag must also have slash tag, which means you close it. And your image tag also must have this slash tag, which means you close it. Everything must be closed. Something like this without the slash is wrong. This one also, the HRAI here without the slash is wrong. The image tag also without the slash tag at the end is also wrong. So I'm going to show you how all this works quickly. Let's get back to our document. This is what we have in our previous tutorial. You can check our HTML versus XHTML tutorial to see all this. So let's say in between this our H1 tag we need HR tag. Let's say for instance we keep the HR right here. Let's save our document. You are going to see what will happen. Can you see? It's saying the error. So it's giving us line 16. I don't know, but this one right here, as you can see, you have already know where the error comes from quickly. So because when you are checking this one, it may give you wrong number because this is not where the error comes from. It's the main place where I know the error comes from is here. So let's get back to our document quickly. Let's now place this slash. Let's save our document and reload it. Can you see our horizontal rule is outside right now? It's showing cleanly, and now everything our document is now showing also. So let's now say you can do it. You can give it a space if you want, and it's not going to give you an error. As you can see, it's working nice. Let's now give it. Let's say again we need let's create another p tag. Yes, another p tag is here. Let's say some text content. Let's call it some text content. So let's save our document and reload. Can you see we are having this, right? So let's say I want the page to break more than this. I want the gap between this first one and this second one to be bigger than this. So I want to break it. So let's now say I'll give this br, right? When I give it br, you're going to see it's going to have problem now. Can you see it's having br problem, right? The br problem is here. So now let's get back to our br and give it something, which is slash. I will give it slash like this. I'm going to see. Can you see this? The gap between this first one and the second one is now bigger. So the br is now reflecting, and every document is now displaying nicely. So that's what I want to show you. You must close your content. Whatever content you use, you must close it. And also, let's say for instance we need image tag. Inside here we have image tag. Let's pick an image. Let's say we have avatar. We have avatar image. Let me go inside my other folder. Let's enter our folder. Let's say for instance we have HTML folder. In our HTML folder we have this cell phone image. Yes, let's use it. Let's reload our document. Can you see it's bringing error, right? Which is this image error, right? So now let's get back to our document quickly and place the tag right here. Let's just keep it right here and reload our document. Can you see the image is now displaying? We are not having error again, and now we can style our image as we like. Can just give it style. Can just say width is equal to 200 pixels. Let's just give it 200 pixels for now. Can you see our image is now displaying many? So but if you don't have this slash here, it's going to have problem. Let's reload our document. Can you see it's having image problem? That's what I want to show you guys. So, and you can omit this space if you want. You can do it like this. So can you see it's still showing? So that's what I want to show you guys right here. So let me show you something. Your XHTML empty elements must always be closed like this. So that's what I want to show you guys. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you.